Welcome to Catholic News Mix on Newsnet TV. News from Patna Archdiocese. With the increase of cases of corona spreading in Bihar, several church-run institutions are gearing up to deal with the emerging situation. The churches in Patna are following the COVID-19 protocols.
इस प्रकार सरकार ने सभी रिलीजियस स्थानों को बंद करने का दिशा निर्देश दिया गया है। उसी प्रकार हम भी कुची पैरिश में सरकार के जो भी नियम है, अनुदेश है, उनका पालन कर रहे हैं। लॉकडाउन की वजह से हम इन संस्कारों को करने में हमें बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है। पल्ली परिषद की बैठक में तय किया गया कि बपतिस्मा के लिए हम 4 व्यक्ति को अनुमति देंगे। विवाह के संस्कार को संपन्न करने के लिए 16 व्यक्ति के साथ ही हम संपन्न करेंगे। और जब किसी व्यक्ति की मृत्यु हो जाती है, उसके अंतिम संस्कार को संपन्न करने के लिए 20 व्यक्तियों को अनुमति दी गई है। और अभी तक हमारे पल्लीवासी लोगों ने उनका अनुपालन करने के लिए कोशिश किए हैं। और अभी हम लोग किसी प्रकार का संस्कार आगे के लिए हम नहीं ले रहे हैं जब तक कि सरकार लॉकडाउन खत्म ना करे।
News from Mangalore. The Apostolic Carmel Sisters have celebrated the centenary of St. Agnes College in Mangaluru. St. Agnes College is a well-known institution of higher education for women. It has produced veteran women in fields such as science and education, judiciary, entrepreneurship, politics and social service in the past 100 years. The Apostolic Carmel Order was founded as a missionary congregation 150 years ago by Mother Veronica to educate girls and women in India. They began their mission by establishing the St. Anne School in Mangalore in 1871. The Vincentian Congregation, VC, a South Indian religious congregation, has elected Father John Kandathinkara, working in Arunachal Pradesh, as their new Superior General. The VC congregation started in Kerala state in the year 1904. Father John Kandathinkara, who is currently the rector of the DePaul Mission in Tissa, Miao Diocese, Arunachal Pradesh. Currently the congregation has a strength of 564 priests and 197 professed members. News from Assam. Deacon Jonathan Terran was ordained to the priesthood on 10th April at St. Francis Xavier Parish, Rongbonghat, in the Diocese of Diffu, in Assam. The ordination was conducted by the Right Reverend Paul Mattikat, the Bishop of Diffu. The Diocese of Diffu was erected on 5th December 1983, 4th Karbi Anglong and Dima Haso districts of Assam. You are watching Catholic News Mix on Newsnet TV. News from Delhi. Bishop Emeritus Colin Theodore of the Church of North India, Rajasthan Diocese, died on April 15th. He was 75. Bishop Colin was consecrated as Bishop of Rajasthan CNI Diocese in May 2001 and served for 10 years. As many as 46 students of ex-LRI's Jamshedpur campus have tested positive for COVID-19. Xavier Labor Relations Institute is run by the Jesuit Fathers. The students who tested positive for COVID-19 have been isolated and quarantined within the campus and kept under observation by the resident doctor. On April 16th, the body of a 42-year-old Catholic nun was fished out from the well of a convent in the Kollam district of Kerala. The deceased was Sister Mabel Joseph, a member of the Pious Workers of St. Joseph, who run the Maria Agnes English Medium School in Kuripuja. The incident took place in Karungappalli town in Kollam district of Kerala. A suicide note was recovered from the nun's room. It said that she was unable to bear the physical difficulties and the issues related to allergy. The note was found in a search conducted for her when the nuns noticed her absence from morning prayers. The body was later found in the well. Sister Joseph was among several Catholic nuns who are known to have jumped into wells in the past few decades. The most sensational case was the death of Sister Abhya, a member of St. Joseph's congregation, whose body was found in the well of the convent in Kottayam on 27 March 1992. 28-year-old Sacred Heart Sister Jyotis was found dead inside a convent well in the Thamarassery diocese in northern Kerala in November 1998. Local police said she committed suicide. In Goa state, Handmaids of Christ, Sister Deepti Brahmane was found dead in the well of her convent in Raya village on 26 July 2010. The 24-year-old nun was under medication for depression. In 2011, in Kerala, Holy Spirit Sister Mary Ansi, a 48-year-old teacher, was found dead on 17 August 2011 in a wastewater tank in Punkulam, near Thiruvananthapuram. Sister Lija Maria, 42, a member of the Sisters of the Adoration of the Blessed Sacrament, was found dead on the 1st of December 2015 in a convent well in Ulupuni near Vagmo, a tourist resort in Kerala's Idukki district. On 7th May 2020, the body of Divya P. John, a 21-year-old novice with the Basilian Sisters near Thiruvalla, was found in a well at the convent. Diamond Jubilee of Mother Mary Bernadette Prasad Kispota, DSA, founder of the Congregation of the Daughters of Saint Anne, was commemorated at Ranchi. The Daughters of Saint Anna is an indigenous religious congregation of Eastern India. The event was held in a simple manner due to COVID-19 pandemic restrictions. The Holy Eucharist was presided over by His Grace Felix Topo, S.J., Archbishop of Ranchi, at St. Mary's Cathedral, Ranchi. A brief biographical sketch of Mother Kispota's life was read by Sister Sushanti Guria of St. Anne's Mother House, Ranchi. You have been watching Catholic News Mix on Newsnet TV, coming to you every Saturday.